So, guys, in the last topic, we had already finished the discussions based on the concept of straight line methods and how to calculate depreciation under the straight line methods with all the formulations, understanding of salvage value, understanding of cost, useful life, and all. And now we will do two simple questions, fundamental question, basic question, but constructions of the question is all about to understand the topic in detail. You guys see the question in the screen. This is the first question, and there is the next questions. I want in the total discussions, you will all concentrate, give your full focus, and I believe I'll make you understand the whole topic in the ground of discussion. Now, let me tell you, the first question is that on 20, you guys can see in the screen, a company purchased machinery of rupees 5 lakh. Hello, Kotha. The useful life of the machine is given 10 years, as I said. The residual value, sir, what is residual value? Residual value is nothing but salvage. There are multiple names of the salvage. It is called salvage. That is the residual value. It means salvage. That's we talk about. Right? Residual value of the assets. It is 50,000. Okay? This information is given straight and forward. Now question is given the annual depreciation under the straight line method. First you need to calculate. The second you need to calculate the depreciation for the first 3 years. And the third you need to calculate the book value of the machinery at that third year, at the end of the third year. Okay? Let's do it simple way. The first, calculate the annual depreciation. So already we talked about the formula. We can solve it here. Under the straight line method, as I said, the depreciation is equal to cost minus salvage value or residual value, same thing, divided by the estimated life of the machine, the useful life of the machine. So it's the life. Okay. Now coming to the question, collect the data. Cost is given 5 lakh. Useful life is given 10 years. Residual value is given 50,000. Let's see. 5 lakh minus 50,000 is the residual value, divided by life of the machine, as I talk about, minus 50,000 divided by 10. This is coming 4,50,000 divided by 10, which is 45,000 each year under the straight line method. Thank you very much. So this is a simple way we can calculate the this is the annual depreciation, right? And this depreciation will continue first year, second year, third year, fourth year, up to the 10th year, as long the useful life of the machine will sustain. Right? Now coming to the second question. Sir, what will be the depreciation for the first 3 years? Simple. So first year 45,000. Second year again 45,000. Third year again 45,000. So altogether the depreciation is going to become 45 plus 45 plus 45. Which is coming, how much? 1,35,000. Well done. So this is the first 3 years depreciation. Wonderful. Very good. Right. And the last question. The book value of the machine at the end of the third year. Okay. Sometimes we call it the true value or the market value or the actual value of the machine. Okay. The actual value. Book value means, let me tell you, let's say if you have to calculate the book value of the machine after 3 years or after 4 years, how to calculate? Simple. Book value in the bracket at a particular time period at nth year. So I write nth year. Nth means anything after first year, after second year, after third year, after fourth year, whatever. Simple formula. First, original value of the machine, OV. OV means original value, means the buying price of the machine. For this conditions, the buying price of the machine was 5 lakh. So the book value is 5 lakh. And now what we are doing, we are just deducting the depreciation till today. Still today, whatever the depreciation has already done, right? So it is original value minus depreciation. So original value is 5 lakh, right? So till today, 3 years minus is because they are asking the book value after 3 years. So there this n is 3. 3 years, after 3 years. So 5 lakh is the original value. And each year there is a depreciation of 45,000, 45,000, 45,000. So 3 years the total depreciation is 1,35,000. So what I said, original value minus depreciation. That is on the book value of the machine on the date they are going to calculate. So it is 1,35,000 we deduct. Yes. That is coming 3,65,000. Fantastic question here. Simple, short, and easy to do. Just concept to clear करता हूँ. Just concept. It's all about concept, right? So why this book value is important? Because let's say if you want to sell the machine, now this is a very important thing. What I'm going to tell you right now. Listen. If you're going to sell the machine after 3 years, suppose that you are going to sell the machine by rupees 4 lakh. Please try to understand. Suppose you are going to sell that particular machine after 3 years by rupees 4 lakh. Right? Now people can ask you, sir, at the time you are selling the machine, do you have any profit? Do you have any loss? How do you calculate? Basically, it looks like loss. You buy the machine 5 lakh. You buy the machine 5 lakh and now you are selling it by 4 lakh. Bhai, sir, आपको तो loss हो गया. It looked like a loss, but practically it is not. Because you will not going to compare with the original value. You will compare the book value on that particular date you are selling the machine. Let's say you are selling the machine by 4 lakh. Right. And as for the calculation, you already know the book value of the machine is 3,65,000 on that date when you are selling the machine. Right. So actually में सर आपको loss नहीं हुआ. It is actually profit. Because the book value of the machine is 3,65,000. Right. And you are selling the machine by rupees 4 lakh. It's not a loss. It's actually profit. How do you calculate? Simple. The sale price minus book value on that particular date. I mean, আবারও বলছি, on that particular date when you are selling the machine. So it is 4 lakh minus 3.65 lakh. So 35,000 is your profit, not a loss. That is why book value calculation is very important. I hope the total concept how to calculate straight line, depreciations, and book value and loss and profit if you are going to sell the machine, it is thoroughly clear to all my students. Now we are going to do a particular question where we are going to open the machinery account and the provision for depreciation account. All right, that will make you understand the concept. How to we are account means how can we solve the depreciation by the way of accounting methods, right? So this is the conclusion of the discussion.